Hey friends, on Monday we're going to start remote learning. That sounds really fancy, but all that really means is that we're going to bring our classroom into your home. At the beginning of the year, we practiced using Google Classroom, and that's how we're going to do this remote learning. So I need to be sure that you can access your Google Classroom from home, so this video is going to show you how to do that. The first thing you need to do is get on your device and go to google.com. Once you're there, you're going to want to sign in. I'm going to sign in and pretend to be Legend right now. Remember, when you're signing in, you have to type at wcsmail.org. Uh-oh, something happened. Oh, figured it out. I got LaCrome instead of LaCrue. Alright, and then his birthday. Okay, so once you're signed into Google, you can get to your Gmail and you can get to our Google Classroom. For remote learning, Miss Dula, Miss Bumgarner, and I all created one brand new Google Classroom that all three of our classes will be using. So you need to join that classroom. We tried to make this easy for you, and we sent you an email inviting you to join the class. So check your email. And find the one that says Class Invitation. Your email should be from your teacher's name, so look for your teacher's name. Here's Legends. Click on it. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to press the word Join. And there you are. You are in our classroom. Now on Monday morning at 8 o'clock, assignments are going to start being posted. Miss Bumgarner has made some reading videos. Miss Dula has made some math videos. I've done a couple of science videos. There's lots of stuff for you on here. We're hoping to make it just like you're at school, okay? So you'll get on every day and you'll click on classwork. And then your assignments are going to start popping up. Mine looks a little bit different than yours right now because this is the teacher side. But you'll click on classwork and then it will tell you exactly what to do each day. If you have any questions or you need any help, you can reach out to Miss Bumgarner, Miss Dula, or myself. You can call us, you can email us, or you can dojo us. Have fun!